The rifle is 9.
Same spot, right? Same spot. I guess I got something cooler than that. It's like half a dip can to the left.
Yeah, if I could do it over again, I would want to.
Yeah,
water ready. At least have the opportunity to shoot these a little bit more regularly. But. Oh yeah.
Just straight back.
Yeah, that.
Close here as opposed to here. They're usually still pretty close. Hey, let me know when y'all need caps.
I'm all good right now.
All around it. And then after we take, you don't have to get a shot. Like around it.
So that one is in a hole from back there.
The table.
Well, don't huff that deep.
Like we've used him
Okay, you have
in
an
his electronics.
I might have to go home. Yeah, somebody.
From 2 months of leave, it's gonna be. We'll see.
Hi. Yeah.
All right.
Can I get a hand setting these up?
Don't get by your gun.
Pretty cool.
Once we all get through, we'll.
Actually, if you want them to go first, that would.
No, it's your guys' gun, so like you brought it out, so the cap went.
Totally inert.
No, that's all. That's all.
Burn.
Yeah, that's all. Success. But like this is what we're going for.
Okay.
Not complete detonation, but like this is safe now.
Running copies are approved and deoccupied.
Bingo! Top left. Put it next to the Pelican case. So I can...
I was like, man, I didn't know we have to have a wind call right now.
Yeah. No wonder I think that ship was just